Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming core facts. Open your inventory and the Grand Exchange search, type the exact item name, and check if it's tradable. If it shows on GE, note the current buy/sell price and market stack size. If it's Solomon or locked to events, make a note of the store or time-limited source. Once done, record any level or quest requirements shown. These will determine whether you can acquire it immediately or must meet prerequisites first. If the item is tradable, place a buy offer at a small percentage under the lowest sell to save coins. Monitor and adjust until filled. If it's untradeable or Solomon, find the exact source, boss, drop table, seasonal event, or store, and start that content. Focus on efficient setups, gear loadouts, familiar, and a loot share-friendly group. Once you commit to a method, refine timings, and use boosts like bonus XP or drop rate multipliers to maximize your chance per hour. To finish, if buying from GE, accept the completed buy and double-check the item's stats in your bank. If trading player to player, confirm name and untradable flags before exchanging. If farming, continue your optimized rotation until drop or reward appears and swap tactics if rates are poor. If you don't get the item, troubleshoot by checking whether the source changed, asking your clan or friends, and consulting the in-game help or official patch notes. Make sure you...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.